Today we will give you a short introduction on how to use weight equipment that is found in most fitness facilities. It is always a good idea to set up a free fitness assessment and equipment orientation that are offered at most fitness facilities. It is always important before starting an exercise program to consult with your physician. The leg extension focuses on isolating the quadriceps. Position your legs under the pad and grasp the sidebars with your hands. Extend your legs to the maximum range of motion, exhaling as you do this. Pause a second at the top and then lower the weight back to the original position under control. Make sure the legs don't go past 90 degrees. One other essential is to make sure that all machines are set up to your height to help with proper alignment. The seated leg curl works the hamstrings or the back of your legs. Sitting on the machine, place the lower legs on the pad. Secure the lat pad against your thighs above your knees. Grasp the handles and pull your heels towards the back of your legs, flexing at your knees. Keep your torso stationary at all times. Hold the contracted position for a moment, slowly returning to the starting position as you breathe. The seated leg press. This machine will help target your quadriceps or the front of your thighs. Sit on the leg press and place your feet about shoulder width apart on the foot platform, making sure that you can see your toes. Press the weight up so that your knees are extended but not locked out. Keeping your core engaged, lower the weight under control. The lat pull down works several muscles in the back and the arms. Adjust the seat to a comfortable position that allows you to keep your feet in contact with the floor and your thighs in contact with the pad. Grab the bars with an overhand grip and pull elbows down to the side to about shoulder height. Squeezing the shoulder blades together, pause and then slowly return to the starting position. The shoulder press works mainly the shoulders. Sit down, engaging our core, grabbing the handles, and pressing arms to full extension without locking the elbows. Pause for a moment and then return to the starting position. Making sure that you have proper breathing is important during lifting. You should always exhale during the hardest part of the movement. The chest press works the chest and the shoulders. Sit down on the machine, ensuring the handles are about chest height. Grab the handles and press arms to full extension, making sure not to lock out the elbows. Pause for a moment in full extension and return to the beginning position. The bicep curl machine works the bicep or the upper front part of our arm. Sitting down and finding the handles with an underhand grip, engaging our core, pulling the elbows next to our side, flexing from the elbow and bringing hands to our shoulder. Pausing for a moment at the top and then returning to the starting position with hands by our waist. The glute isolator works the back of the legs, the glutes, and the hamstrings. Adjust the machine to your proper height, bringing the heel to the pad and press the leg back, avoiding full extension but finding a comfortable range of motion. Pause for a moment and return to the starting position. One thing to avoid when weightlifting is lowering the weight stack down between each repetition, making sure never to drop the weights. The Pec Fly machine works the front of our chest. Grab one handle at a time, bringing them to the center. Taking the arms out to the side but avoiding full extension of the shoulders, and then repeating by squeezing the weights back together in front of the body. The rear delt works the back muscles. Sit down facing the machine, finding the handles with an overhand grip, pulling the arms out to the side and squeezing the shoulder blades together, pausing for a moment and returning to the starting position. Good luck with your new weightlifting routine. If you need any additional support or would like to learn new equipment, please ask one of the Lakeside Wellness Fitness coaches.